Hello viewers, welcome back to a new video. Those of us who use iPhone X or upper models do not show battery percentage. So in today's video I will show you how to show the battery percentage on the iPhone. So let's start the video. We can see the battery percentage in two ways. The first method is to swipe down from the top of the home screen to see the battery percentage. The second method is to tap and hold the home screen of the phone, and you will see the apps moving and some minus icons appear on it, and a plus icon will appear on the top left side. Now you have to click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, we have to go little further down and there is an option called batteries. Now click on batteries. Three widgets can be seen here. You have to add any widget of your choice from here. I would like to add this widget. The widget float on the home screen. You can place the widget anywhere you like. This was today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.